At BMO Bank of Montreal, we are committed to making money make sense for our customers. We are proud to introduce BMO Money Logic, a tool that will help you get your money under control. It is available at no cost to BMO personal banking customers via online banking. Have you ever wondered how your spending compares to others? Now with the new BMO Money Logic community feature, you can compare your income and expenses to others in the BMO Money Logic community. Your personal data is strictly protected, and all information shared is anonymous and aggregated across all of the BMO Money Logic users. To start, click on the Community tab from the BMO Money Logic overview page. There are two key widgets in the Community tab. First is How Do I Compare, which allows you to compare your income and spending with the community. Second is Profile Tags, which allows you to add relevant tags to your profile so that you can identify yourself with others like you and help our community grow. To guarantee anonymity, we will only show comparisons shared by a minimum of 50 people. Now, let's take a look at the How Do I Compare widget that anonymously shows you how your income and expenses compare to others in the BMO Money Logic community. At the top of the How Do I Compare widget, you will see your average income and expenses in comparison with the entire BMO Money Logic community. The two graphs to the right will show the categories where your spending differs the most from the community averages. You can also see how your spending by each category and subcategory compares to the community average. On the left-hand side, there is a list of all categories where you have transactions. By default, BMO Money Logic will select the 5 categories in which you've spent the most and display the graphs for those categories. You can select additional categories by checking each category, or you can select or deselect all categories by clicking Check All or Uncheck All. To view your spending comparison in subcategories, click on the main category in the bar graph, like shopping in this case. The application will drill down into the subcategories that feed into the main category you are reviewing, such as electronics and software, sporting goods, clothes and accessories, etc. The graph on the right-hand side will be updated with your spending compared to the community in these subcategories. To return to the main category listing, click on All Categories at the upper right corner of the bar chart. By default, BMO Money Logic will show your spending in comparison to the entire community. You can narrow your comparison down to people with similar profile selections. Click on the button All the Community at the bottom of the screen, and a new window comes up where you can select up to 3 different profile tags to compare your spending with. For example, if you want to see how your spending compares to somebody who is in the age range 35 to 44 years old and working full-time as a business owner, you can select those tags and then click on the Close button in the upper right-hand corner of the tag selection window. The graphs will then be updated to show how your spending compares to the community you have just selected. You can also add relevant tags to your profile, such as gender, age, employment status, and others, so that you can identify yourself with others like you and help our community grow. To do so, click on the Profile Tags widget. There are 10 different profile tags, and you can select any or all that best describe you. You can always update these tags at any time by returning to this widget if your profile changes. After you select a tag, you will see your selections in the tag bar at the top of the widget. You can delete a selection by clicking on the Delete button next to each tag. To guarantee anonymity, we will only show tags shared by a minimum of 50 people. To get more information about how to use BMO Money Logic, please visit www.bmo.com/moneylogic/guide.